Hi folks, welcome to this overview of the Capturelife Events app. I'm going to be going through basic functionality, but also know that we have two other videos you can watch. There's an introduction video just to get familiar with how we're working with GF Crew and offering a full program for action sports photographers so you can make more money. And there's also a video on how you can upload your images and distribute them to your customers using the Capturelife mobile experience. So today's focus on the Capturelife Events app. The iOS app is in the App Store. So as you're seeing here, just search for Capturelife Events. It's 2 words. It'll come up, and then you download the app and hit open. It's that simple. We'd love to have your rating on the app, so please feel free to provide a rating. But when you open the app, if you're an existing Capturelife user, meaning you already have a Capturelife account and you've been processing photography jobs with your Capturelife account, just use the sign-in option here, enter your same email address and password that you used today for your web portal, and you'll be ready to go. But if you're a new user, tap the new user option and provide your name, email, password, and then just agree to read and accept the terms of use and register. Okay, so once you're logged in or registered as a new user, you're going to be presented with an onboarding experience. The first screen wants to collect some information about your company. Remember, this is your brand that is going to be seen by your photography customers. So tap to select your logo from the camera roll, or if you already had it on file in the Capturelife web portal, it'll show up here automatically. And also your company name and website address. Those are used in the communications with the customers as well as inside the app that they see. So when you save that, the next important step is how do we get you paid? So the way we do that is you can set up payments here with the app. It's important that you go through this step. Do not skip it. Even though it says skip this step, you can't take any payments or use the app without going through this step. It's very simple. You're going to go into a secure routine here that collects some information privately and securely on your business and which account you want to use to get paid. So you put in whether you're a company or an individual. I think most of you would be companies, your phone number, and then your email address. I just have email that I've used here for this account. And then tap next. Okay, so you're going to be asked to enter a verification code to make sure that this is you. It's a secure way to protect your information. Okay, this next screen just has you put in your legal business name. The doing business as field is optional, and put in your website again. And then you go on to the next screen. And this is where you're going to provide your bank information, where you want us to transfer your funds in a secure manner. So you can use your debit card or directly into one of your bank accounts. If it's a bank account, you need to enter your routing number, account number, and confirm that, and it'll connect, or a debit card. So I'm going to jump over this stage and enter it, and then see you on the other side. Okay, so after you've added your bank account and that's been verified, you're basically ready to go. So the first screen you're presented with in the app is the job screen. So this is where you hit the plus symbol at the top left to create your first job. This is typically the name of the teams that are playing, or whatever the name of the tournaments you might be capturing images for. Okay, so I've jumped ahead and entered information on my job. Start and end date for the job. If it's a tournament that goes over the course of the weekend, you can put the date range in there. The default job fee, this is important because if you set this default job fee, as you add customers and take payments, this fee will automatically be applied. Now you can change it to something else when you take a customer payment, but this really makes it easy to apply the same rate to each customer so you're not typing it in each time. And then the notes field just allows you to put in notes that may help you to navigate around your photography job. So when you're done, you just save that and your job's been entered. Now you can tap on that job and start to add customers. So as you're taking payments from customers, it's very simple. There's one screen where you can enter your customer information, the information on the subject whose images you're capturing. That's typically the kid who's on the team. And then you're ready to take a payment. So as you can see here, I've entered my information on the customer. Their email address and mobile number are important. That's how they're going to receive a notification after the images have been delivered to them. and the subject information. This is information on the child that you're photographing, including which team they're on, jersey number, age / division, also notes that may help you in determining where you need to stand when capturing the best images of that child. And then you're ready to take a payment. So you tap to take a payment, and you'll notice that there's your $75 default fee. Now you can edit that if you need to by hitting the edit option, or you can proceed to take the payment. So if I go to take the payment, you'll see that we're using Square. So you're going to need a Square reader. We recommend what's called the contactless chip reader, the one where they can slide their card chip first into the reader. It's more secure. You can use the plug-in to the phone swipe reader as well. Just know that the chip reader is a more secure way of taking payment. We're going to ask you for a few rights to your phone so that we can use the Stripe reader and it can be paired with it. And then you're ready to take a payment. Okay, one of the things to tell you about is the settings option. If you have your reader plugged into the phone, then you don't need to change the settings. It's recognized automatically by your phone. But if you're using one of the Bluetooth chip readers, just tap settings. You only have to do this one time. Reader settings, and then connect a reader. And then your reader, it shows you, has a button on the back that when you push that button in, it's going to make a connection to your device through Bluetooth. And that's it. You're ready to go and you're ready to take a payment. So I connected my reader. I'm ready to go. So I'm going to charge $75. It says to let the customer insert their credit card, which I'm doing here. It takes that payment, it's approved, and then you're ready to go. Now, if you are charging someone's card for the first time, you will be offered the ability to send them a receipt to either their email address or their phone number, whichever they prefer. So that's it. Now I've taken a payment from a customer and I'm ready to go. One more feature that I want to show you that will be really helpful is as you start adding customers to your jobs and you're adding subjects that you need to photograph, you'll see back on the job screen here the subjects option to the right. So there's one subject on this job. If you had 5 kids you were taking pictures of, this nice screen summary shows you each of the subjects that you're capturing and all the details that you need right from the app. So that's it. It's that easy to create jobs, add a customer, and take a payment from a customer using Capturelife Events. The next video shows you how to upload the images that you've captured and deliver them to your customers using your Capturelife web portal account. Thanks.